My name is Divinely Koof, and I support this message. The quality is probably not the best. I know I don't look my best, but right now we're about to start sanding the vanity and the medicine cabinet. I have some new toys or some new equipment to show you guys, but we're gonna put this to use because like it takes forever to sand by hand, so this is definitely going to speed up that process and I won't be so tired. And it's some furniture that my mom's talking about giving to me that I want to like reupholster, make it mine, make it fit in the space. So that'd be a video too. But we gotta sand these doors too. I still gotta sand the cabinets in my room, like the bed frame in my room. But today we're gonna get most of the bathroom done. We're gonna get these done, the vanity and the medicine cabinet and the doors. So let's get started. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little tired. Let's do a time check. What time is it? It's 11:30. Most of y'all know the cabinets are like this, just a nice brown color. So we gotta do this. We gotta do this vanity. I mean, not the vanity, this medicine. Gets me. So this is the damages. I started doing this side. I know it's not much to look at. This is how the cabinet turned out. And I'm tired. Now I think I'm about to do this. I don't know if I want to do this door or if I want to do something else, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I want to do next. Hello guys, so new update. Kind of also have like a little bit of concern because when you look at these, like these are the ones I did by hand. Like it's a lot. It's like more consistent, which it takes longer, but it's more consistent. Kinda. No, it's more consistent and it's already smooth. It's already like smooth. Like this is very like gonna have to go over it type of thing.